Hey everybody, this is John from the Bradleys on Catbird Hill. So, most of you know from the channel that I absolutely love the Bigtoolrack company. I have a number of their products which I've purchased over the years, and I cannot say enough about them. This Ultimate Rack is the first purchase I ever made from them, and it totally changed how I can use the tractor here on the property. So, very recently, I did a video on our channel when I went through my top 5 add-ons or supplemental pieces of equipment that we've added to the Kubota L2501 over the past couple of years. The number one attachment was the Bigtoolrack, but Bigtoolrack took that up even a couple more notches beyond that. So if you've noticed, the Bigtoolrack Ultimate Rack is actually attached to the front of the tractor. And let me show you how Bigtoolrack did that. You know, Bigtoolrack is an exceptional company because they never stop thinking about how to make stuff better. So what they did is they created a quick attach skid steer attachment for the Ultimate Rack, which you see right here. And what I want to do is I want to show you how easy it was for me to attach that to the tractor. So let's go for a little walk along here on Catbird Hill. So I want to show you exactly why the Bigtoolrack quick hitch skid steer attachment is such an essential item for us. This is my next project. Very typical here on Catbird Hill. We got a 100-foot long ash tree that came down. And as you can only imagine, this is going to be a massive project. There is going to be a lot of brush created by taking this tree apart, lots of firewood to harvest out of here, and certainly not least of the work is getting these logs out from this tangle of brush back here. I've got probably about 30 or 40 feet, if not more, of really great saw logs that I can take out of this tree. So in order to do that safely and effectively, I'm going to need just about everything you can possibly imagine, which is why this attachment is so critical. In the Ultimate Rack, we've got everything we need for this job. We have our chainsaw, we've got bar oil, fuel, marking tools, we've got towing straps to pull branches and logs out, we've got our PPE, we've got some hand loppers here, we've got a small woodsman's axe. We've got some brush clearing equipment up here, hand tools. Obviously, the tractor itself going to be very integral in pulling things out, and an absolutely essential piece of equipment that I have to have on the back of the tractor is our PTO-driven chipper. So you can see with the rear of the tractor occupied with this, that is the value of having the skid steer quick attachment for the Ultimate Tool Rack. So I cannot encourage you enough. If you deal with the kind of stuff that we deal with here on Catbird Hill, by all means, take a look at the Bigtoolrack skid steer quick hitch. It's going to save you a ton of time. So I got to get to work. This is John here from Catbird Hill. Take care.